Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my class. Hope you are fine at your home. I am also fine here. Do you remember what we discussed in the last class? Yes, we discussed key details and summary.
Isn't it?
Yes. What is by key detail? Key detail means the important details of the story. And what is by summary? Summary means the short form of the story. It includes the key details.
Isn't it?
Yes. Do you remember in the first class we read one story? What is the name of the story? Yes, the golden goose. So why did the goose help the family? Yes, they were very poor. So what was the evil plan of the woman? Yes, she planned to pluck all its feathers.
Isn't it?
Yes, and at the last she understood her foolishness. That happened in the story.
Isn't it?
Yes. Hope you have done S3 and S4. Today we are going to read one story similar to the story The Golden Goose. Okay, are you ready? Yes. So in this story also we can see a greedy woman and a helping kind man, Dr. Ganesha. Okay, so this greedy woman's name is Maya and the helping man who is a scientist. So let us read the story. Take page number 9 in your textbook. So this story is written by Radha Pyari Sandhya. You can see here Radha Pyari Sandhya. The Torch by Radha Pyari Sandhya. So you can see one torch here and also a pen stand here. So let us read the story. There once was an old scientist named Dr. Ganesha who loved to help people. One late summer evening, he made a discovery by accident. He found a way to turn anything into gold. The electricity went off and his torch was not working. Using a few materials lying here and there, he made a new type of battery. By mistake, he left the torch on when he went to bed. It lay on his desk, shining on a pen stand. The next day, he found that the pen stand had turned into pure gold. So what happened in his story first? At the beginning of the story, what happened? Yes. There once was an old scientist named Dr. Ganesha. So he is a scientist and his name is Dr. Ganesha, who loved to help people. He is very helping character and he liked to help the people. One late summer evening, he made a discovery by accident. What is by accident here? Yes, unfortunately he made a discovery. He invented one thing. He found a way to turn anything into gold. So he found a way to turn anything into gold. The electricity went off and his torch was not working. So at that night, the electricity went off, the power went off and his torch was not working. His torch was not working. Using a few materials lying here and there, he made a new type of battery. By using some things lying here and there, he made a battery. By mistake, he left the torch when he went to bed. He left the torch on when he went to bed. So by mistake, unknowingly, he kept the torch on the table and he went for sleep. It lay on his desk shining on the pen stand. So, it is shining on the pen stand. You can see in this picture. The next day, he found that the pen stand had turned into pure gold. So, what happened to the pen stand? The very next day, the pen stand had turned into pure gold.
Isn't it?
By the light of this torch. Then what happened next? Yes, let us see. So, you can see in this picture, more things turn into gold. Can you see this? Yes, you can see in your textbook also. Over the next few days, he tried the torch on other objects. He found that they turned into gold if the light from the torch shone on them for at least half a day. Dr. Ganesha was thrilled. He thought about all the good such an invention could do for humanity. He decided to help people as much as he could. So, what is his plan? Yes, on the next few days he tried the torch on other objects and all the objects turned into gold. He found that they turned into gold if the light from the torch shone on them for at least half a day. If the light is shining on that particular object for half a day, it will turn into gold. So, it had to shone at least for half a day. Dr. Ganesha was thrilled. He got very happy. He got very excited. Thrilled means excited. He thought about the all good such an invention could do for humanity. So, he is thinking about the human beings. He is a kind and helping man and he is thinking about the human beings to help them. He decided to help people as much as he can. So, he decided to help the people as much as he can. Okay. So, what happened next? One day when he went for a morning walk, he came across a woman sitting on the front steps of a small house, crying. Dr. Ganesha asked her, "What was wrong, my dear lady? Why are you crying?" Sniffling, the woman looked up at him. "It's been 6 months since I lost my job. I can no longer pay for my daughter's school uniform and books. Even food is too expensive for us. Now she is very sick and I don't have the money for the doctor. What will I do?" She started crying all over again. So, what happened here? Yes, one day when he went for a morning walk, he saw a woman sitting on the front steps of a small house. So, you can see in this picture sitting on the front steps of a small house. Crying. What she is doing? Crying. Dr. Ganesha asked her, "What was wrong, my dear lady? Why are you crying?" So, Dr. Ganesha asked, "Why are you crying, lady? What happened to you?" Sniffling, the woman looked at him. What is sniffling? Sniffling means while crying we will produce some sound like that, is it? That is called sniffling. The woman looked at him. "It's been 6 months since I lost my job. I can no longer pay for my daughter's school uniform and books. So, I lost my job. So, I have no money for paying for the uniform and the books. Even food is too expensive for us." What is expensive? Expensive means costly. It is very costly for us. Now she is very sick and I don't have the money for a doctor. Now she is not well. She is very sick and I have no money to pay for the doctor. What will I do? She started crying all over again. So, what I will do? And she again started crying. Feeling sad for the woman, Dr. Ganesha placed his hand gently on her shoulder. There, things will get better. Don't you worry, he said. Kind Dr. Ganesha pulled something out of his pocket. It was a golden apple. Here, take this, sell it and take your daughter to the doctor. The woman's eyes opened wide when she saw the apple. So what happened, what he gave, what Dr. Ganesha gave to the woman? Yes, one golden apple. So he is telling to the woman, don't worry, things will be better. So he is taking one apple and a golden apple and giving to that woman. So sell it and take your daughter to the doctor. So you can sell it in the market, then you will get the money and you can take your daughter to the doctor to consult the doctor. The woman's eyes opened wide when she saw the apple. So it is not an ordinary apple, it is a golden apple. So this woman's eyes become very wide. Okay, she felt very happy. First time only she is seeing this gold. Thank you, oh thank you so much. Where did you get this from? The woman asked. Dr. Ganesha told her about the accidental invention of the torch that turned things into gold. The woman said, thank you so much for your kindness. My name is Maya and I live in this small house with my daughter. So this woman became very happy and she is telling thank you to Dr. Ganesha. So thank you sir, thank you so much. Where did you get this from? So she want to know where he is getting all these golden things. And Dr. Ganesha told her about the invention, accidental invention. Unfortunately, he invented that, is it? Yes. So the woman once again said thank you for this thing. And she is telling that you are a kind person. You are very helping and kind person. Thank you sir. My name is Maya and I live in this small house with my daughter. And she introduces herself that her name is Maya and she is living with her daughter in this small house. So what happened next? Let us see. The next day, Dr. Ganesha set out to visit children in an orphanage. On his shoulder hung a small bag which held 2 gold items for the children. Along the way, he spotted Maya sitting on her front steps again crying. So what happened? Where he is going? He is going to orphanage and you can see one bag with him hung on the shoulder. So the next day Dr. Ganesha set out to visit the children in the orphanage. So what is the orphanage? Orphanage means the home of an orphan. So what is the orphan? Orphan means a child who doesn't have parents. Okay, so he is going to help the children in the orphanage. On his shoulder hung a small bag which held 2 gold items. He had 2 gold items in his bag. Along the way, he spotted Maya sitting on her front step crying again. So again Maya sitting on the front steps and crying. What is it, Maya? Is your daughter not well yet? He asked. Oh, she is well, but her school is still too expensive. Maya cried again. So now what is the problem? She is well, daughter is well, but what happened? Schools are expensive. Okay, school is still expensive.
He has
No money to pay for the uniform and the books. Seeing Maya's distress, Dr. Ganesha decided to give her the things he had in his bag. So, seeing Maya's distress, what is my distress? Distress means feeling very sad. Maya is sad now. So, on seeing that sadness, Dr. Ganesha decided to give 2 things for her. Maya beamed as he gave her a large golden doll and a golden ball. Watching the scientist walk away, she thought to herself, here is such a nice man, so generous. Maybe I can ask him for more. And so Maya became greedy. So Maya beamed. Beamed means smiled happily. She is happy now. She got two golden things. So she beamed. She smiled happily as he gave her a large golden doll and a golden ball. So what he gave to Maya? A golden ball and a golden doll. Watching the scientist walk away, she thought to herself. So she is thinking, she is planning something, I think. Yes, here is such a nice man. He is so generous and he is a nice man. What is by generous? Yes, generous means willing to give and or share what we needed. Maybe I can ask him for more. And so Maya became greedy. So she is planning to ask more gold to him. And here she is becoming very greedy woman. Okay, so she is becoming a greedy woman. She wants more gold from Dr. Ganesha. So what happened next? On each day after that, Maya wanted more gold for herself. Now the battery held only some amount of power. So the torch could not work more than twice a day. This made Maya angry. So what happened here? So the torch is not working as usual. So it is working twice a day only. So on each after that, Maya wanted more gold for herself. So she wanted more gold. Now the battery held only some amount of power. So this battery have less amount of power only. So the torch could not work more than twice a day. So twice a day only it will work. This made Maya angry. What is by angry? Yes, she is also very sad and also she is become very angry. She want to get more gold. Without getting this gold, she became very angry. Okay, did you understand? Yes. For time being, close your textbook. Let us compare the story The Golden Goose and the Torch. Here I have written for you The Golden Goose, the Torch. So what is the setting of the story? The Golden Goose, its village. There it is city. What is my setting? Place. So who are the characters we saw in the Golden Goose? Yes, woman and two daughters. Here we saw Maya and a daughter. And who is the helping character who helped them? Yes, in the Golden Goose, it's Golden Goose. Here it is Dr. Ganesha helped them. So what happened in the story at last in the Golden Goose? Yes, the greedy woman realized her fool. She tried to pluck all its golden feathers and what happened? It turned into white. At last, she understood her mistake. So what will happen in this story? What will happen? Can you predict anything? Can you predict what will happen in the story? Can you say something? So what is my prediction? What is my predict? So predict means forecast or foretell. It means telling something that is going to happen. Telling something that is going to happen. Predict. Predict means telling something that is going to happen, or we can say forecast. Did you understand? So I will write one example. The weather forecasters predict about the weather condition. So did you understand the term predict? So I have given one example. The weather forecasters predict about the weather condition. So predict means telling something that is going to happen. So can you predict the story? What will happen in the end? The torch. I already told you about the woman, the character of the woman. She is very greedy. So what will happen in the next? Yes, let us read the textbook. Page number 13. She felt that Dr. Ganesha was too old and too slow to give her what she wanted. She decided to steal the torch from him and use it on her own. So what is her plan? Yes, she is not getting the gold every day. So she became very angry and she is planning to steal the torch. What is by steal? Taking that thing without the permission of the owner. So she decided to steal the torch from Dr. Ganesha's house. Late one night when Dr. Ganesha was asleep, Maya sneaked into his house and stole the torch. She reached home and turned it on. She made it shine on a plate. The plate, of course, did not turn to gold because the light had to shine on it for at least half a day. But Maya didn't know that. She tried again and again. The torch began to smoke from being switched on and off so much. Then its glass cracked and it no longer worked. So what happened here? Yes, one night when Dr. Ganesha was sleeping, Maya sneaked into his house. Sneaked means moving into the place to steal something. Okay, she reached the home and turned it home and she stole the torch from there. What is by stole? Past of steal. Okay, she took the torch from there and she turned it on from her house. She made it shine on a plate. So she made it shine on a plate. Okay, so what happened? The plate, of course, did not turn to gold because the light had to shine on it for at least half a day. So if it is shining at least for half a day only, the things will turn into gold. It takes half a day to turn into gold. So, but Maya didn't know that. That secret Maya didn't know. Only who knows? Yes, Dr. Ganesha. The torch began to smoke from being stitched on and off so much, and she tried more times. Okay, so that time what happened? Then its glass cracked and it no longer worked. So its glass cracked because of overheating. It broke into pieces and it no longer worked. Okay, yes. And what happened next? You can see in your textbook. She is packing and going somewhere. Maya cried as she realized the foolishness of being too greedy. So she understood her foolishness and she became very
Embarrassed. What is embarrassed?
it made some shame for her, and she is feeling very shy to face Dr. Ganesha, and she felt very
Embarrassed.
and ashamed to face the scientist again. She felt very shy to face Dr. Ganesha. She shifted to a different city and never met him again. So, that is why she decided to go to a different city, and she done a bad thing to Dr. Ganesha, and she is feeling very shy to face Dr. Ganesha. So, what happened? Here you can see Dr. Ganesha is very sad with his things. Yes, the theft had left Dr. Ganesha deeply saddened. So, this action or crime made him very sad. Okay. Yes, and he decided that he would never again invent a device that turned things into gold. So, he is telling to himself, I will never invent such a thing again in my life. So, he is telling to himself. So, that is the story. So, did you understand the story? Yes. In the both stories we saw greedy women. What is the moral of the story? Yes, greed makes the man foolish and blind. So, that this story is similar to the story The Golden Goose. Yes. So, in your textbook, it is given glossary. Some words are given here, meanings and its sentences. Beamed, distressed,
Embarrassed.
expensive, generous and thrilled. These words you have to study. The meanings you have to study, and the story you have to read from home 2 or 3 times. And also it is given practice questions here, page number 18, block 2, questions 1, 2, 3, 4. These questions you have to try. If you are not getting, don't worry, I will help you. So, did you understand the term predict? Yes, predict means telling something that is going to happen. Did you understand? Yes. So, in your workbook you have to do block 2 S1 and S2, page number 16 and 17. Here it is given here, the torch. You have to write the date here and fill in the story map with the details. So, it is given here setting, characters at the beginning of the story, at the middle of the story. Think about the ending of the golden goose and predict the end for the torch. So, you have to write setting, city, characters you know already, beginning you know what happened, middle you know what happened, and you have to write a ending for the story by your prediction. We already know what happened in the last. Okay. Yes. This also you have to do, text to text predictions. First you have to write the date, then read the paragraph, underline the details that remind you of the torch or the golden goose. So, this is another story. So, some incidents are same as in the torch and the golden goose. That incidents you have to underline, that details you have to underline. Choose a prediction for the story above, give reasons for your choice. So, it is given A, B, C, D, 4 predictions it is given here. So, you have to take any one prediction from here and you have to write here. Okay. Yes. Third question, imagine that the tiger saw a hunter with a gun on the other side of the lake, predict the end of the story. So, here in this question it is given one situation. So, according to the situation you have to write one prediction, another prediction for the story. So, is it clear for you? Predict means telling something that is going to happen. So, this S1 and S2 you have to do today itself, and also try to do the practice questions. So, let us wind up our class. See you in the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.